Okay, across the street you have a park. It has some slides and a big grassy area. This is the name of the subdivision that we're standing in. It's all the townhomes over this way. The little hilly is a single family homes across the street. So you have a nice big park down there. Also comes up the street. I'll show you pictures of it, of a saltwater pool. It's 4 feet deep, large, new. They just opened it in November. It's really nice. So as you walk down the street here, the house is up here on the left. And this is, some of these are dual usage. Like the one down on the end down here is like a shaved ice place. This is the home we're talking about here. You got a little gated area, fenced in yard that tenant is responsible for maintaining it. A little porch to sit on here. Nice little shaded area. I'll walk you down here and show you this. A lot of people do decorations and stuff here. Here's a little frosting store I was talking about. I have not been in there, but the owners told me it was like a little shaved ice cream store. Fantastic frosting. And then here's the entryway in to get to your parking, and we'll show you that. Okay, so this is your backyard. You have a little fence here. And then this is an open spot here that belongs to this home. There's some guest parking over there by the trash dumpster. And you have a 1-car garage. And then you have a parking here as well. So 2 parking. The owner's car's in the garage, is shipping soon. So just a small 1-car garage with a garage door opener. So you have 2 remotes for that. This is the yard. You have turtle engraved into the stepping stones. It's just a little small yard, little overhang. And then over here is the water heater closet. New water heater. And then show you the garage real quick. Just a small 1-car garage. Lighting. That's it. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. In Kapolei behind the Kroc Center. This is the front entryway. You got a large open living room. Ceiling fans, central or split AC systems. Your back door there to your small yard and a garage. This is the kitchen area over here. Have nice cherry wood type cabinets, stainless steel appliances, little Korean countertop, and a little island here, kind of. Nice cabinets, nice refrigerator. Microwave, oven, dishwasher, disposal, LED lighting. Nice wood floors. This is the entryway from the garage looking in towards the house. As you walk around here, there's a split AC for downstairs, and each bedroom has an AC. It's a half bath downstairs as well. Exhaust fan. And then under the stairs, you have a little storage area. And then over here at your entryway, you have a little bookcase at the bottom of the stairs. This is fiber optic if you want to use it for Hawaii Telecom, or you can use Spectrum cable if you want that as well. And we'll go upstairs and show you upstairs. Okay, so as you come up the stairs, in front of you is your full-size washer and dryer, Samsung, relatively new. Turn left, you have your first bedroom on the left. Split air conditioner, ceiling fans, mirror closet doors, large closet, window. And then out here's your roof to your one-car garage. And then you have a one parking stall as well, so 2 parking. As you come out here, turn left again, your second bedroom. Same setup, split AC, ceiling fan. And the doors here are a smaller closet. They're accordion doors. View out back. And in this closet, it's a good sized closet. Not as big as the other one. You got sprinkler system and you have smoke alarms. Again, here's your washer and dryer. Here's a little linen closet. And the bathroom here, you have a full bathroom here. Single sink, LED lighting, medicine cabinet, mirror, towel bars, and your bathtub, shower. And as we leave here, we go back into the hallway, we turn left and we go into the master suite. LED lighting, ceiling fan, split AC. And here to the right is the large walk-in closet. LED lighting again. Large master bedroom. Good wall space. And then your master bathroom is right here. Double sinks. Little towel closet, linen closet. Nice cabinetry that match the kitchens. One towel bar there. And then a bathroom, LED lighting, window, shower, step in. Or this is more of a walk-in shower. The other one was a step in. Window and toilet. Medicine cabinet here. And your view out the window. You have an open area over there and houses. And then there's actually a park over there. And we'll show you that as well. And that's the view from inside.